here, please subscribe to my channel, comment on it, like my video. I do beauty related things. So in today's video I'm doing 3 products makeup. Yes, I have used only 3 products to create this look. I'm wearing lipstick, I'm having blush, I'm having something on my eyes, I'm having my eyebrows done and some base also. I have done these all things with only 3 products. Yeah, 3 products, and I'm going to show further what I have used. Even if you do not know how to do makeup, you can do this look right away in just 5 to 10 minutes. Maybe like just 5 minutes are enough if you use these products. Generally people do 3 products things because either they do not apply makeup, or either they do not know how to do makeup, or maybe they are not having much time to do makeup because makeup takes time. So yeah, these 3 things are like you need to have, they are like must-haves. Without any further ado, let's get to the video. So firstly, I'll take this BB cream from Spawake. This is how it looks like, and I actually like the packaging of this because this has this nozzle tip. It's really easy to use this because you have the nozzle tip, and I directly going to take some amount, not much, like this much, like I always do. I'm just warming the product, and as I always say, start with less product so that you can build up afterwards. So like I always do, I'll start with my eyes. Once you are done with your BB cream, like whatever base you are using, you can just spread it with your fingers. And now I'm taking the brush to blend this. Always take time with this step, like blending is the key. If you're not blending your base correctly, then you're going to have a cakey, or you can see the dry patches all around your cheeks and face. So always take a good time with your blending. Now I'll take some on my finger like this, just a bit, and I'm going to apply wherever I have the pimple or the pimple marks, and I'm going to tap it like this. So as you can see, they are much lighter now, like they are looking much less. If you want, you can go second layer of this base if you want, like you want some more coverage, but I'm gonna leave like this because I'm okay with this. Moving on to our second product, and that is this eyebrow kit. Now I am okay with having no eye makeup, like literally 0 eye makeup. I can go like that, but I always want my eyebrows to be filled and look nice and framed and whatnot. So I'll rather go for the eyebrow kit than to have some kajal or eyeliner in my bag as a second product. So I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty in the shade 2, and I'm gonna use these 2 shades. I'm going to create and fill in my eyebrows. Once you fill in your brows, it is really important to comb them because otherwise extra material will get stuck into your hairs. Now my eyebrows are done, my base is done. The only thing is my lipstick, but before that I'm gonna give you some tip that I'll tell you can use your eyebrow kit beyond your eyebrows. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this brown shade and mix with some black, and I'm going to outline my lower lash line and upper lash line and create some definition to my eyes. So I'm taking the same brush and I'm going to dip this like this. I'll take some brown and then I'll take some black, some brown, some black. I'm going to apply this. I'll show you. So basically you have created a smoked out, really soft eyeliner kind of look without using eyeliner and kajal. You're using your eyebrow kit. So I'm gonna do my second eye and come back. So basically we have covered our base, our eyebrows and even our eyes. Now the much left thing is our lipstick. So you can use your favorite lipstick, whatever it is, because our eyes are almost neutral. I'm gonna use this sugar lipstick, and this is their nothing else matter longwear lipstick in the shade 14 red herring. This is a very pretty shade, like for my skin tone, and I feel for every skin tone this is a really nice pretty shade. And the best thing is you can wear it anywhere, like the party or in the office or in the outing or like anytime. It's a really pretty shade. So this is how it looks like. I'll swatch it for you on my hands. So you see this is such a pretty reddish pink shade. Now, as our lipstick and everything is done, you can use your lipstick as your blush also, and I'm going to show like how. Although this is a very pretty dark shade, but I'm going to use this only. So what I do is, I'll take again some on my hands. Do not put directly on your cheeks, otherwise you'll not have the control of quantity you are putting. So what I'm going to do is just rub through the quantity I've taken, and I'm going to pat it like this where I want to do, and then just blend it. And in the same way I'll do here. So doing things with the less products is your basic rule in makeup. Like whatever you're applying, you need to have less product first, and if you feel like that you want to use some other thing also, then only you do it. Hope you have enjoyed the video, learned something new, learn how to use 3 products to create this kind of look. And if you did, please like my video and subscribe to my channel. Also, you can follow me on Instagram or follow my page on Facebook, where I put some other stuff also, like I post my pictures, whatever I'm wearing, or I'll see you in my next video with some other stuff. Till then, bye bye.